Ethereum is expected to fall 18.4% by August 23, according to CoinDataFlow. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. Ethereum has risen 4.2% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $2,452.43. Let's examine the analysts' market views. Coin price forecast suggests the chart could show $2,533 by tomorrow. That would be up by around 4%. CoinCodex puts the target for Ethereum at $2,510.82, about 3.1% above current value. Gov Capital highlights the potential to move downward to $2,343.36, a projected fall of 3.8%. A different analysis from CoinDataFlow projects Ethereum could move downward to $1,986.93, a potential loss close to 18.4%. Finally, crypto prediction sees $1,599.21 by August 23. That's 34.3% down from now. This is the strongest payoff scenario. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. Let's now shift from forecast to expected outcomes. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a decline of 34.3% and a rise of 4%. It turns out, crypto predictions has the highest expected return with 34.3% gain in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could net between $31 and $343 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, CoinCodex has the most dependable forecast, showing a 58.6% chance of success. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. Consensus expectations put Ethereum at approximately $2,194.66. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. The consensus projection places the price down about 9.9%. That forecast suggests your capital might also gain by 9.9%. In terms of 1,000, the scenario could translate into $99 more. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 4.5%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. Coin price forecast suggests bullish momentum will carry the price higher. Also, CoinCodex expects strength on the upside. Gov Capital highlights that Ethereum could slide lower. According to also CoinDataFlow, the market is likely to trend downward. Similarly, crypto predictions anticipates downward movement in the near term. The consensus points to Ethereum trading below current levels during this horizon. In conclusion, most analysts expect Ethereum to move onto a downward track. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Today we review their accuracy. Ultimately, the market closed near $2,515.91. The outcome showed a single correct forecast about the direction. Coin price forecast had the most spot on prediction. Time to take things apart for clarity. None of the forecasts fit within yesterday's move. Regarding ROI, just one forecast avoided going negative. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. CoinLore registered $292.91 accuracy and minus 11.6% ROI, with a forecast probability of 72.5%. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. Now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's potential returns for Ethereum and other coins. In tomorrow's ranking, Ethereum stands at third, with Arbitrum leading the pack at 13.9%. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while extended return comparisons are already available on my website. Before you go, hit like and subscribe if you want to save hours of research and stay updated on analysts' forecasts in one place. See you in the next cycle.